morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So the first thing I want to show you how to create bulk mockups as well as individual mockups simultaneously. So right now, I already had this created for my 6 bulk mockup, or I can make it individual. So what I'm going to do is I am going to get rid of this first one. And if you don't know how to do a grid or something like that, let me know. Put a comment in the comment box and ask, and I'll show you guys how to do this. But I'm just going to get rid of this first one. Let me move this. So I want to get rid of this one. And then I want to go to all of them I have set up. So currently I have 9 down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that and I am going to move that to the front. And I'm doing this on my iPad. Y'all know I do everything on my iPad. Not everything, but majority of things on my iPad. Just as handy is right there. So I just like to do it. So what I'm doing here is I have my 9 grid and I'm getting ready to actually upload 18. No, I'm sorry. It's 18. Yeah, 18. I think it's 18. Yeah, it might be more than that. But anyway, I'm getting ready to do a bulk upload basically. And what I want to do is I want to do a bulk mockup for my Etsy page. And when you're doing bulk, which I've noticed and been learning as I go through this journey of figuring out Etsy and what works for me, is that if you're selling multiple images in bulk, you want to show the image itself and you want to show them individually here. As you can see, I'm just tapping on each one of these. And since it's going to be more, what I'm going to do is select here and I am going to copy all of these and I am going to duplicate them. So it's already set up. So depending on how many I have, and like I said, I think it's gonna be 18 of them. So I just need 2 of these. But right now, I'm just gonna duplicate these again. So I have enough. And actually, let me select all and uncheck that one. Excuse me, that didn't work. Okay. So I'm just doing this live with y'all. So I'm gonna select these. So right now I got 13. So I want to do 7 so I can have even count. So I'm going to duplicate these and that put me at 19, which evidently I can't count. So let me unselect because I just want one more. I just want to duplicate it. Come on. That's all I want. Okay. So now I got 20. And I still can't count because I got 20, including my image here. So I guess it'll work out because I'm only doing 18. I won't need these. So y'all don't mind me. It's early. I'm sleepy or whatever the case may be. I blame it on whatever. Okay. So I'm just going to create a duplicate of this. Here we go. I want to duplicate it. Come on now. Stop it. I just want to duplicate this one. Duplicate it. Okay. So then that way it's already set up. And if you notice here, let me go out of here. I already have my watermark ready, preset. So what I do is I just move it over a little bit. So then when I actually add the bulk creations in all of these frames, all I got to do is expand that over the cover. So my watermark is already ready. So that's what I do. I'm just moving this over a little bit because I feel like it's covering too much where I can't get to the grid. So that is how you do, or that is how I do my bulk mockup frame. So then that way, when I input the images in here, this is what it's going to look like. So yeah. And I need to update all my images. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So now I want to create my 18 mockups for my bundles on Etsy. So as I stated before, we're going to come back in here to the grid and actually let me nix this. I'm jumping the gun. So what we're going to do, and hopefully my iPad don't act up because it's been acting up lately. You want to go to sheets. I'm doing everything in Canva. And this is so easy. I pay for Canva Pro. It's worth it. But I think you might can do this with the free version. I don't know because I use it quite often. So you just go to Sheets here. So what you want to do when you go into Canva Sheets, you want to number across the first row here. So I got 18, so I'm going to actually number this, and I am going to add PNG 1. That's kind of my naming convention. And I'm pretty sure you can probably autofill it across. For some reason I haven't tried it, and that would be the easiest way, truthfully. I want to see if it'll do it. I don't know. Canva's kind of funny. I was hoping it kind of work like Excel, but I haven't tried it. Somebody let me know the cheat sheet. I guess I can kind of ask chat. When I say chat, y'all, I'll talk about Chat GPT because that's my best friend. Don't judge me until you try it. But yeah, so I'm just going to number these across, and I'll probably fast forward this because so you can see it. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. Okay, so I got 18 across in row 1. So I'm going back to the beginning. I'm going to row 2. I'm going to go to my camera row, and I'm going to put all 18 images in, and hopefully it does all right, because sometimes, see, like here when it's red, that let me know that it's not uploading right. So what I'm going to do is go here and delete that. And it'd probably be faster if you do it on your computer, but like I said, my iPad be right here, so I just grab my iPad really quick, and I'm just gonna fill these across. Yeah. Okay, so we got all 18. Let me close this. So now what we want to do is go back to the front, and we want to get that first. So you want row 1 and row 2, you want to highlight all of them. And this can be used for your websites as well. It doesn't have to be just for, like, in this instance I'm using for Etsy. So y'all go to my Etsy page, y'all gonna maybe see these listed on my Etsy page, but really I'm gonna start putting the bundles on my personal business page, and I'm gonna do individuals on my Etsy page. So right now I'm finna create a bundle, and since it's all highlighted, after you highlight it all, you go right to your actions, and you want to scroll to where it says bulk create, and it is a pro feature, so you can't do this on a free version, but I'm telling you right now, Canva is actually worth paying for. So I'm going to click on bulk create, and now it's going to show me my data range that I have selected, and I'm going to go ahead and click continue, and I am going to do my 9 mockup, and hopefully it does it right away. Lately my iPad, oh, all right, I was saying my iPad has been acting up, and I think I need to clean it out. I'm pretty sure I do. So what you want to do is, because I know I got 18 and this is a 9 grid, so I got 2 9 grids in my individual grids. So now what I am going to do is go ahead and click in this one, and I'm going to select them based on the numbers, and that's why I numbered it, so it'll be easier for me to figure out what I need to do. This part is all right. My individuals, I want to make sure I'm consistent with that, so I'm just going to go ahead and get all of these, and also it makes it easier so I can remember where I left off at. So you gotta love this. I'm telling you now, it's gonna make your life so much easier if you doing, especially if you new to Etsy. You know, like I've been really focusing in on Etsy. Let me see where I left. See, this is why I do this, so I remember where I left off at. Okay. On Etsy for what I think maybe the last, come on. See, now it's trying to act up on me. Don't do me like that. I can search to PNG 9. Okay. So if you didn't know, you can search as well. And I don't know why it's trying to act that way, like you don't want to scroll, which I don't know. So now I gotta type them in. PNG 10, which this is extra. I don't like that it's doing this. And I don't know why it's not scrolling, but here we go. PNG 11. So I'm typing this in, y'all, because for whatever reason it doesn't want to scroll past, and maybe because it's, I don't know, I've never did this many, maybe that's what the problem is, but I don't know. We're gonna keep it moving though. We find a way, I always say make it happen. I like to make things happen. So we're gonna get this done. NG 14. Oh shoot, I guess if I click on the connect data, and I'm sorry, I just skipped the whole step. I forgot to explain this part. So in order to select this, and I should have did this at the beginning, you click on connect data. I'm sorry, I just jumped the gun here. In the end, you select your record. PNG 18. Okay. Okay, so I got all the 9 bulk done. So now I'm going to go for the individual ones. So here, we're just going to click on it. Oh, and before I do that, let me go back so I don't want to forget. So this is the part I was talking about, adding your watermark first. So I'm going to pull this over, make it large so I don't forget to do that, because I will do that. And I'm sorry, y'all, I'm going all out of order because I'm forgetting some things. So this real life, y'all, this stuff that really happens. I ain't giving y'all no perfect video. This is what happens with me. So let me go ahead and click. Now I'm just starting at the beginning again because I want 1 through 18. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, so, oops, see, this is what I'm talking about. It just undo that. Let me undo that. Okay, so this one I don't really need. These I don't need. So these are extra ones. These are for my one because I copied that over, and it's all right if you leave them. You can even go in here and delete them or whatever, which I'll go in here after and delete it. You can delete them right now if you want to, but that's all right. So next, what you want to do is, it's just 3 steps. It's telling you 1, 2, 3 is click on create design, and while it's creating, and now I want to view it in the folder, and I can see what this looks like, and open this up, and you can name it too. So I could put my I don't have a name for it yet. I just put pretty girl bundle. If I could spell PNGs. Okay, so I kind of know what it was. And actually, I want to put a date. So I did this on the 8th. 08 26. I think I've been writing 25 on some stuff, y'all. I should be over that by now, all these years. So, you know what I'm saying? So here you can see everything that was done. And this way they can see what they're getting in the bundle. So here you can see everything is here. And what I should have did is, and you could do it here though, is just add like a little banner or something, and I probably add it like at the bottom or something because this is only there. So next time going forward, I add a banner at the bottom of my original mock-up is what I'm gonna do. But I kind of didn't do it there. I'd rather do it individually, because what if I have more and I gotta change the data. But you can do that, and you can actually upload your data at the same time that you're adding these pictures. But yeah, this is what they all look like. So I got 18 in my bundle, and I think I'm just gonna put this on my personal website and put some individuals on my Etsy and direct them to my personal website if they want to purchase a bundle. So that way, you know, I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna make a video and add it to my Etsy page when I put these on. So I'll let y'all know when I do it. I do a video and show you what I'm doing, so you can kind of see, and maybe that'll help y'all too. Because I'm still learning Etsy. My sales are not where I want them to be, but they're getting there. And my goal this year is to increase my sales. I'm doing obtainable goals, and then I'll reach for the stars as I go along. But I hope this helps somebody. Let me know if y'all want to see anything else. And I'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget to comment and like my video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.